Hello traders, today is the 6th of January 2021 and I would like to share with you today's best analysis and the best trades of the day. Today we had another winning day. Most of the traders bank amazing profit today. And if you would like to know how I help traders in real time with the live market through intraday analysis, you will find a video link somewhere in the video description. Feel free to watch, and if you're having challenges in your trading and if you would like to discuss your challenging, feel free to book free one-to-one consultation with me. My availability calendar is somewhere in the video description, so feel free guys. All right, let's back to the analysis today. All right, so just to recap, guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with a live RD commentary support. I do analysis twice a day, and once just before London Open, one at the New York session, and the recording is available in the training session. And also once the analysis is done, then we watch all together alongside with our professional trader. If the opportunity is raised according to those analyses, we broadcast that information instantly in the analysis section, and we also bank beautiful pips. All right, so today I also traded because I don't trade every single day, only sometime when my trader is day off or is in holiday. So I'm just going to show you one of my trading activities. All right, so let me share with you my account. This is the account sometime I manage. You can see this is the live account, not a demo account, guys. And I would like to share with you today's history. Okay, so let's log in. It says customizes today's history. Okay, so if you look at, you can see here, I made it $20,283. So it's not about how much I have made it. I'm just going to show you how I made it, because that's the more important thing. I know on the internet most of time people are sharing their statements. There's no guarantee if they have traded. Sharing all the screenshots, all the statements, that does not make any help to anybody to learn and develop a trading skill. I'm going to show you which trades and which pair I've taken it and why I've taken it and how I share that information, because as I said to you, we trade all together as a team. Okay, so let me share with you guys. Just hold on. Okay, first of all, if you look at normally I trade only 2 or 1 pair, because although I do all this mostly 12 major currency pair alongside with the gold analysis, but I just focus on the few pairs, and then I maximize my positions and bank beautiful pips. You can see that gold I traded, and pound dollar I've traded. That was the major pair basically I focused. You can see here I tried a little bit on the Aussie dollar, but mainly I traded these pairs. All right, so now you can see all these pairs, especially I had a in the evening just after London close, I banked beautiful pips, counter long trade on gold. All right, so let me share with you guys. Let me read off this. And okay, so let's talk about the, okay, let me share with you the morning analysis about the gold, what I was explained to my traders. That's what exactly I'm looking into it. And I explained to my traders that I'll be looking, there's this breakout and probably going to be taking a short trade. And I explained the price might going to hit the previous high and then reverse, which exactly the price happened. So you can see once the analysis is done in 4 hour, then I do intraday analysis to refine our entries and exit. Okay, so let's look at the current situation of the gold. Okay, if you look at here, that was a beautiful, you can see gold, we had a breakout short trade and bank beautiful pips, and then I normally take this long trade here. You can see here previously price broken after the breakout, you can see, and then I spoke to my traders, guys, take all pullback long, because you can see here after that all pullbacks, bang bang bang. So you can see it. And if you look at the my analysis, this was the analysis. Let me go take this one. This was the analysis, and then we're taking a short trade here. You can see here all pullbacks, and then I did this analysis, just around, just 540, and then bank. And these were my couple of good trades, which basically I banked beautiful pips, beautiful profit. So you can see, and that does make sense. You can see here, if you are a trader, I'm pretty sure you can see the price nicely broken this Basically what happened this whole week is basically the all profit. Price nicely came back today. We had amazing short, all pullbacks. Most of the traders bank amazing profit, and even now some of the traders are still banking some profit because this system allows us. You can see all the pullbacks because we have defined the sentiment in the gold, and then we're taking all these trades. You can see all this analysis of the dollar, of the, you can see this morning this breakout as I mentioned, and then what happened afterwards. You can see the pullback, breakout, pullback. So that was the best basically trades we had, instruments gold traded today. As you can see, I banked beautiful profit. All right, so let me share you a couple of more analysis. You can see this morning we had beautiful trades on pound dollar. Okay, euro USD. Let me share with you guys this one pretty straightforward, pullback, long trade. Then pound dollar, that was a pretty straightforward breakout this morning, long. And then pound yen, this was again pretty straightforward. You can see the breakout, long trade based on the momentum. Then Aussie dollar, this was again is the breakout, pullback. Basically you can see, as explained to trader, because most of the traders was thinking is going to come back, but then I explain in more details. You can see that's my explanation. I say, guys, even the price is going to develop double top, and if the price gonna break the recent low, then we should be taking a short trade. Otherwise, we should be stick where the momentum, where the trend. So pull back. You can see 1, 2. So that's why most of the traders bank a beautiful pips today. So dollar CAD, again, we had this breakout. We had this breakout, and as soon as the price, I said, guys, get out because the price failed to maintain this level. When the price respected this level and say, guys, momentum is bearish, refuse to be bullish, and this is the makes sense to take a wedge breakout on let me show you guys. You can see this is the wedge breakout, and like I said, this is the very strong reversal. So we take a short trade and bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD. And pound Swiss franc, again, this was the breakout short trade, consolidation breakout short trade. And dollar yen, that was a beautiful trade. We had it, you can see here. I explained to trader because this is very important. You can see this was the previous low, as you can see here, and afterwards, as soon as the price broken, I say, guys, safest way to look for this breakout. As you can see, the price broken, and beautiful long trade on dollar yen. That was amazing trade. So bank beautiful pips. Okay, so Aussie dollar, this one again, as explained in more details at the New York session. Basically give all these details. Guys, look here, head and shoulder, this pattern is developed, and that's what you should be taking that trade. And if you missed it, let's take another pullback, and which price nicely develop another few more pips as a counter short trade in Aussie dollar. Then euro USD, we had another beautiful trade. You can see here, as explained to traders, that if the price gonna break this support, then take a short trade. Otherwise, more safest trade, as I said to you guys, is if the price is going to develop a pullback. You can see here, as soon as the price develop double top at the resistance level, that was a and the wedge breakout, beautiful short trade. So basically you can see that all this analysis, and plus watching those analysis all together with traders, sharing that information in real time, and banking profit all together. So you can see here such a beautiful breakout short trade, and this was the counter long trade on gold. That was basically I've taken it because, and beautiful pips. You can see we had a one trade and another one, and as you can see here, let me share with you guys this one. You can see here $3,000, 2,900, right? And all these trades, beautiful on gold. So bank a beautiful pips. All right, guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in the real time alongside with the live audio commentary support and 4-hour analysis, even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide full forex coaching and training. Not only just coaching and training, we also provide funds to the successful trader, because that's the platform we develop. We take step by step, we build your knowledge, we help you psychologically. That's the most key important thing in trading. And once we see that you are producing good results during that practical training, then we can also arrange funds from our investment companies, which basically you trade. So this is another opportunity which most of the retail trader have a misconception that they want to trade with their own funds. We always recommend traders develop your trading skills, and then we can arrange funds for you from different investors, from different investment companies, and you can make a huge commission. So the your development skill is a key important thing. So if you need that help, feel free to book a free one-to-one consultation. As I mentioned you, the link is given in the video description. Or even if you are struggling, you need a help, so this is the platform where you can see everything in real time. And the best thing is you have the opportunity, you can ask if you're not sure about the trading, you can ask second opinion through our analysis in the real time. And even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure as you have seen that I bank beautiful profit, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank that type of profit every single day. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and have a nice evening. All the best, and I'll see you tomorrow and with another analysis. All the best.